Meet HARRE, the robot that takes out your trash like Uber for garbage. Imagine this, you're sipping your morning coffee, scrolling your phone, and you realise you forgot to set out the trash. Normally this means dragging bins out to the curb or missing the truck altogether. But now there's a robot that wants to change all that. It's called HARRE, built by Oshkosh Corp, the same company known for heavy-duty vehicles. Think of it as Uber for your garbage. Using the app or even Alexa or Google Assist, you can summon HARRE to your door. It rolls up, opens itself, takes your trash and then heads back to the hub to drop everything off and a recharge. The system is aimed at planned communities and business parks with shared trash hubs. So instead of rigid collection schedules, you get on-demand pickups. The benefits? Cleaner streets, fewer missed bins, lower emissions since it runs on electricity, and less of the panic when you hear the garbage truck and realise it's too late. The developers are even working on AI that can scan recycling to spot contamination, which could make the whole process more efficient. Next time you forget trash day, don't sweat it. With HARRE around, the robot will literally take out the garbage for you. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.